My goodness!
All right, be a super quick video, just showing that I did it. I got the Pros Touring Hydro Boost. These are some ICT billet pre-made lines. They actually are a little long, but I made it work because even if I went smaller, whatever, probably be screwed. But pre-made lines, ICT billet. Hold on, another little update. What I plan to do here, once I order one more piece, I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna show you which one I got, how it lights up. Oh, yeah. I'm trying to sell this. I want 800 for it. Shit. You get everything that come with it. It's just the 6.86, I believe. That shit, if you pick it up, probably take $750 for it. But yeah, I got the saying a lot. Got the BIM module right here, the Holley one. Damn, said it again. I'm gonna throw a picture in here of what I plan to do to get oil, for it to read oil pressure. And the reason I'm doing it this way is because, one, I paid entirely too much money for this harness, and I still wanted to read off the 3.5 screen, and I wanted to read on the Dakota Digital. So I got a little mod or a little wiring thing that I got for that. I guess I'll just throw this in here with it too. This is the brace that I got from Matt's son's car. They scrapped. Just patch it, cause shit, the fab guy, he know how to weld his ass off, so I got faith in him. Based on how this repair was done the first time, probably get some butt weld clips and all that, so it could be butt welded back in. You know, work it, metal work it from both sides, so it don't really look like no patch job. This part will be, you know, seam sealed and all that. You ain't gonna really see none of that anyway. So yeah, I'll just add this to this video, but it was hell. I messed up on one spot, but ain't nothing that can't be welded over. So all this go in the trash. So I believe now I just need the seat mounts, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, and then that C-shaped, U-shaped one, and that'll be everything I need. And then I'll just hit up the fab guy and see about when I can get this car over there. So yeah, because I also gotta find fucking 2 tires that hold air. So yep, just add this in with this video. Yeah, we're gonna call it quits here, man.
Well, bye.